Hello student, today I am going to discuss another poem from your syllabus, that is The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman. It's a wonderful poem about conversation between the rain and the poet. Let us see what the conversation is. "And who art thou?" said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer as yet translated. Let us see what is a conversation. The poet is asking from the rain that who are you? Thou means you. Said I to the soft falling shower. Soft falling shower here refers to the rain which is coming very softly to the earth, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer. Now the poet is saying that when I ask the question, the rain is giving answer to me, which is very strange. So here we can say personification is used here, that rain has been given the quality of a living one. Let us see what was the answer. The rain said, "I am the poem of earth." Said the voice of the rain, "Eternal, I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea." The narrator is saying that I am eternal, means forever. I rise impalpable out of the. Now, what is the origin of the rain? That due to sun rays, the water gets evaporated. It moves towards the sky, and after reaching at a particular height, it changes into droplets. So, I am eternal. I am impalpable, means I am it's something which cannot be touched, and it arises from the land and the bottomless sea. Upward to heaven. Now the vapors, they move towards the heaven. Whence means where. Vaguely formed all together change, means the form of the vapor get changed, means vapor changes into droplets, and yet the same, means its essence remains same. As you know, water when it boils, it changes into vapors, then after condensation it again changes into liquid, and after it again, if the temperature is very low, it changes into solid form, that is ice. So transformation takes place, but the essence remains same. These are the three forms of water. I descend to lave the drops, and when it changes into droplets, it comes down to the earth in the form of rain. Descend means when it comes down, it washes. Lave means wash. It washes the dry dust particles, dust layers of the earth, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn, and all that in them. Now when the rain comes down, it falls on each and everything present on the earth. And here in this line it is talking about that the seeds which were latent, means hidden, which were unborn, and you know how much important the water is for the crops. So, and forever day and night, I gave back life to my own origin, means continuously it gives life to its own, means this water cycle keeps on moving, and make pure and beautified. And you have seen, if for some days if rain is not there, how the dust particle they make the earth ugly, and we cannot see clearly around us. But when rain comes, the dust particles settle down and everything looks so beautiful. Now in the here you can see and all that in them and forever. Both sentences are beginning with and word is repeated in the beginning. So when a word is repeated in two consecutive sentences, it is called anaphora. So here two literary devices has been used, personification and anaphora. Now in the last paragraph, the rain has been compared with the song. Let us see how. For song issuing from its birthplace after. Now the poet is saying that when a singer sings a song, it doesn't matter if somebody likes his or her song or not, but it gives happiness and purity to his heart. Similarly, the rain issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment. If we talk about rain, it arises from its birthplace, it adorns the earth, fulfill the requirement of each and every one. And then again, means this cycle keeps on moving, racked or unracked, duly with love returns. Means similarly, if we talk about song, when a singer sings a song, somebody likes or dislikes his or her song, it doesn't matter, but it gives happiness to his heart. Similarly, rain also gives happiness, rain also beautifies the heart. So this is in short, we can say that the importance of rain has been mentioned in this poem, that how much important the rain is for us. So dear student, in next video we will talk about the question answers, and let's see the word meanings, like impalpable, something that cannot be touched; lave, wash or bath; atomies means tiny particles; and latent means hidden. And two literary devices have been used in this poem, one personification and another one is anaphora. So thank you so much.